So here we are, a breakdown of my second trade, and I'm not very happy with my second trade. I'm not happy the way that I managed it. So it was not a good day for my overall process. Okay, let's go over the trade that I took. So this is the dealing range that I have on for the higher time frame for the 4 hour, right from this low to that high, and obviously price is now retracing. But for the 1 hour, I used another dealing range. So let's draw out that dealing range. So I'm going to fade out this a bit like so. So I dropped down to the 1 hour. And for the 1 hour, this for me was a very obvious lag. And also it was a dealing range because it took out this sell side liquidity. So make it more visible and more clear, like so. All right. So as you can see, what we have is Asia, and Asia was going lower just before London open. And here we have sell side liquidity. As you can see, that was taken out with a turtle soup move. And then we have this large expansion in London, taking out a buy side liquidity. So this means we have a new dealing range from this low to that high. So if you go to the 15, it's a little bit more obvious. So this is the low, the same low that I marked out on the 1 hour that got taken. So I was thinking here, power of 3, right? Accumulation, manipulation, expansion. So this was the expansion lag right there. This is what I saw at that moment. So I was thinking, okay, we're bullish. There's a nice market structure shift. And that's about it. But before we go, it was at this high. That's how it got formed. I was thinking price might trade back further, and that was my trade idea, to do a counter trend trade, because this, to me, at this moment, because you have to look at things like this, price looking something like this, it created a high, and then this candle. So I was thinking that this was the big move, and now we're going to retrace lower. So let's see on the 1 minute. Where was it? Right here. Yeah. So this was the dealing range high, right? So price went up, price went lower, and if I like something like this, so I saw this price going lower. Let's see, what time was it? 45, something like here. I think it was this candle, maybe something like this. So what I noticed, price came down, so I measured this move from this low to this high, and as you can see, it touched the 62% level, and then with the displacement candle and something along the line there, I was short. But first, price moved higher in this portion. So to be honest, I did not set a stop loss at first. So that's the first big thing that I'm mad at myself of, that I could have done better. I didn't take a stop. So because I was also noticing this and this high, so I was thinking about, okay, when I get this high, then I will stop the trade myself. So I nearly get well. So I thought, okay, now we're on the right side of the curve. We broke this low, we got speed, we got fair value gaps. We can now use this daily buy side as resistance, which it did for a little while. And then we had lunch, which got me very nervous, of course, made me mad, made me bad, made me sad. Still, I did not anything with my stop loss. Price broke above this high, as you can see, and I did not I did not stop my trade, did not close my trade, because at this moment I was in a very big drawdown. I didn't want to lose such amount, so I let it run in the hope things would get better. And then this happened, so I was at a lot of drawdown at this moment. Then this move happened, then went sideways for a while, for a bit, and then finally somewhere when New York opened and started to move down, I closed my trade. First, let's go to the 5 minute. So again, or I moved the thing. So I entered here, right? I entered somewhere along the lines of here. And I got out somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, so I had to endure all this, um, which was very bad, of course. I should have put my stop above this high, and or maybe this high. It's usually what I do, above this high, and then I should have let price take me out and maybe re-enter on the sell side or whatever. But anyways, I should have taken this loss today, which I didn't, and that makes me sad that I did not. And I got out at this area right here with a profit. Feels like a stolen profit, not a profit that I'm happy with, not at all, because I want to work on my psychology. I want to work on that process, and I failed today. But yeah, that's a trade that I took, anticipating a move lower into the 50%. That didn't happen. So yeah, that's what's my trade today. Thanks, and see you guys next time.